All right, so someone said they have made money from this platform just by watching video. So in this video, I want to actually test this app for the next 24 hours to see if we can actually make money or not. So if I make money, you can sign up, but if I don't make money, please don't bother. Okay, so to get started, all I have to do is just for me to click on start earning, and now I'll have to log in. I don't have an account before, so I have to just sign up. So to make it a lot easier, let me just use Google let me just sign up with Google. So I'll just choose one of my random email right here. So let's choose this one, and it's going to load, of course, and just continue. I mean, I don't have all the, let's just make it as quick as possible. Wow, it is that simple. Like, seriously, the account have been created. Okay, that's good. Okay, so here we are in the dashboard right now. On the dashboard, as you can see, I don't really know what this is. Okay, this is my dashboard right here. As you can see, currently I have $0.000000. I mean, the zero never ends. So I think this is the withdraw button. Once I've accumulated some money, I can just withdraw right there. And I see Clover coin. I don't really know what that means. Maybe the reward is coin based. Maybe after I watch a video, they are going to pay me with a coin. I don't really know. I guess we are going to find out, right? So one-time payment, $1, one time $5 to account, but I don't really know what that means. But anyways, we are going to find out though. So right now I have created my account. As you can see, the next for me to do is for me to watch as many videos as possible. So I'm going to be seeing you in 24 hours time. But before I go, let me just quickly click on this watch right here. Let's see if we can actually find any video. Oh my god, I don't really know what this is, but you wonder why it didn't start sooner. Start day one. Let's see. Let me just start day one right here. I've never used this platform before, so it's just kind of new to me, so just be patient. Nigga, why are you taking me to a Telegram platform? Bro, I didn't sign. Come on, man. Okay, that was a kind of a freaking ad, so I don't want that. So please don't play with me. I need money. Okay, so right now it's for me to watch. Ah, God, bro, you guys are making the whole journey difficult for me. Why are you asking me to get another phone to scan QR code? Use a smartphone for correct operation. Bro, I got that, man. Do not share QR code with anyone. Use personal purpose. Okay, personal purpose. I think I should just open the QR code, right? Bro, come on. Okay, let me just download the image right here. As you can see, I've downloaded the image. Let me go and scan it for my wherever is what's the name again, sir? Oh, you people are really stressing me. Let me just open it. Bro. Okay, so right now we are here. Let me see if I can scan the QR code. I don't know why people are asking me to scan QR code actually. Bro, don't play with me. Well, let's see, sha. Oh man, okay, I think I can do this on using my Google, because I don't have another phone with me right now, so I have to use the one phone I have. Let me go and check if I can scan this with my Google, right? Please, this should work. Come on. Okay, I think I can scan it. Yes, I can scan it. So there we go. All right. Lucky Watch. Yes, that's the game. That's it. Okay, so luckywatch.pro. Okay, so here we are. I finally scanned the QR code. So here we are. Okay. Let's see, sha. So I guess I should start watching video now. So I just want to show you all this so that you know what I'll be doing, because I will not be able to record everything now, every video I'm watching. So let me just say watch. Okay, go to section. Voila, watch video. Okay, I think we are there now. Let's say watch video demo. Watch video. Bro, this nigga is just loading. Now it is directing me to YouTube. Let's avoid copyright, so I've just mute this. Okay, I think it is some kind of a music promotion platform, right? Maybe creators do come there to promote their music video. Okay, I think I finally understand what the platform is really about. I think it is paid view, like people pay in order for them to get views, something like that. 15 seconds. They say 15 seconds. Oh. If they say 15 seconds, oh, don't play with me. Oh. Okay, so I think it's more than 50 seconds now. Let's start 7 seconds. So let me just go back and let me go back to the platform. Let me see if I've actually made any money. Let's see. Well, I've watched a video. Please pay me. All right. Okay. As you can see, we've made $0.00025. Right. So that is not even up to 1 cent yet. I know, but I think it's quite promising. So what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to stop this video right now and go and keep doing it for the next 24 hours. So I'm going to come back and tell you how much I've made so far. So before then, I need you to please, I'm literally begging you right now, please hit the subscribe button, okay? So see you tomorrow. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I know I told you that I'm going to test this platform for 24 hours, but let's say for the past 30 minutes I'll be testing the platform, and I've actually made some cash there, but I have to stop it. Why? Because I noticed that this platform wants to finish my small data. You want to finish my data because I'll so sure, but hey guys, so far I've watched 25 videos, and guess how much I've made? No way, I'm going to show you. Please also subscribe, I beg. I really need them, because all we do in this platform is that we test platform. People that promises to pay, all those platforms that say they are going to pay to do tax, all those make money online platform, we actually test them, and anyone that pays, I'm going to come here and show you the honest result, my honest opinion, my honest review, okay, so that we don't waste time on those fake platforms, right? So far I've watched 25 videos, and I noticed that this platform is taking more than it's giving. This platform is taking more than it's giving. I know, because how much sub did I do that this platform wants to finish? Anyways, so far this is how much I've made, right? As you can see right here, so far I've made 0.007525007. Sorry, let me go again. 0.0072500. I don't, that is not even up to 1 cent. Damn. And I'm very sure the data I've used to watch these videos, it must have passed almost 300 MB so far. And so, as for my final verdict, my dear, this platform, if you want to make money for this platform, be ready to be burning enough data, to be wasting your money on data that is not going to pay you. Because imagine how many videos am I going to watch before I'll be able to make $1? So this platform, for me, I would say I'm giving this platform half all over 10. It's not up to 1, half all over 10. That half is because people actually take their time to design the platform. And just so you know, this platform is about is platform that people comes to buy view. So if you want to view for your YouTube videos, you come here to buy, which I highly do not recommend. Go, if you're into YouTube, go make sure you go natural. Do not go and buy view. So that is it about this platform. This platform is a red flag for me. And what's the name again? Lucky Watch. So hey, if you don't want to waste money on this one, if you don't want to waste money for no reason, I highly recommend you avoid this app. So until we meet again, we are going to be testing more platform by the grace of God. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. Please do not leave me hanging, okay? Hit the subscribe button. See you on the next one. Peace.